Are you struggling with blood sugar spikes? High-fiber foods could be your secret weapon in managing diabetes more effectively. No problem, here is the solution. High-fiber foods are essential in managing diabetes because they help regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Fiber slows the absorption of sugar, leading to more stable blood glucose levels, which is crucial for individuals with diabetes. There are two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and helps lower blood cholesterol and glucose levels, while insoluble fiber aids in digestive health. For people with diabetes, foods high in fiber include vegetables like Brussels sprouts and artichokes, fruits such as berries and avocados, legumes like lentils, and seeds such as chia seeds. These foods not only provide the necessary fiber, but also come with additional nutrients that contribute to overall health. Incorporating high-fiber foods into a diabetic diet can improve blood sugar control, support weight management, and enhance heart health, making them a key component of diabetes care. Here's a brief introduction to the 7 high-fiber foods mentioned earlier, along with how they can benefit individuals with diabetes. 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny, nutrient-dense seeds that are particularly high in dietary fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. They expand when soaked in liquid, making them excellent for satiety and slowing digestion, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Diabetes benefit. The high fiber content, about 10 grams per ounce, helps slow the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This can help prevent blood sugar spikes and improve overall glycemic control. 2. Lentils. Lentils are legumes that are rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron and folate. Lentils are a type of legume rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. They provide a slow release of energy, which is ideal for managing blood sugar levels. Lentils are also high in protein, making them a great meat alternative for vegetarians and vegans. Diabetes benefit. A cup of cooked lentils contains about 15.6 grams of fiber. The fiber in lentils, particularly the soluble type, can slow down the absorption of sugar, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels after meals. Avocados. Avocados are creamy, nutrient-rich fruits that are high in healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. Avocados are unique fruits rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. They have a low glycemic index, meaning they have minimal impact on blood sugar levels, and their fiber content aids in digestion and prolongs fullness. Diabetes benefit. With about 10 grams of fiber in a medium-sized avocado, they help slow the absorption of sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, making them a great food choice for blood sugar control. 4. Berries. Berries, such as raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries, are low in calories and high in fiber and antioxidants. Berries, particularly raspberries and blackberries, are low in sugar and high in dietary fiber. They are also rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and phytochemicals, which contribute to overall health and help manage blood glucose levels. Diabetes benefit. Berries provide about 8 grams of fiber per cup and have a low glycemic index. This means they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels, making them a diabetes-friendly fruit option. 5. Oats. Oats are a whole grain that is rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which is known for its cholesterol-lowering properties. Oats are a whole grain that is particularly high in soluble fiber, especially a type called beta-glucan. This fiber helps reduce cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates. Diabetes benefit. A cup of cooked oats contains about 4 grams of fiber. The soluble fiber helps to slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which can prevent sharp spikes in blood glucose levels. 6. Artichokes are a nutrient-dense vegetable, rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Artichokes are a fibrous vegetable with a low glycemic index. They are rich in inulin, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to improve blood sugar control and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Diabetes benefit. A medium-sized artichoke offers about 10 grams of fiber. The high fiber content helps slow glucose absorption, contributing to better blood sugar management. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are cruciferous vegetables packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Brussels sprouts are part of the cruciferous vegetable family and are high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Their fiber content supports healthy digestion and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates. Diabetes benefit. With around 4 grams of fiber per cup, Brussels sprouts help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the rate at which sugar is absorbed into the bloodstream. How these foods work in diabetes. These high-fiber foods work by slowing down the digestion process, which in turn slows the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, making it easier to manage diabetes. Moreover, the fiber in these foods promotes satiety, which can help with weight management, an important aspect of diabetes care. Additionally, the soluble fiber found in many of these foods can improve insulin sensitivity and lower cholesterol levels, further benefiting overall health. Follow us for more awesome health tips and natural remedies. And don't forget, check out the description's links. Thank you. See you next time.